Well, good morning. Going to be going to Cars and Coffee down in Sacramento at Sharif Jewelers. Check it out. See what it's like. We have arrived. Kind of nice to see the contrast in the colors, the difference in the two reds the Ferrari offers. And these two cars are also an advertisement. Oh, not this one. The other car is an advertisement for Nilo. There you go. Want to purchase the car? Bummer, it's a stick. I'm sorry, I'm a big fan of the F1 transmission. Those are some pretty cool wheels. I like the Challenge Stradale brake calipers too. Clearing 570. Car show in Sacramento. I've seen it on every web channel. YouTube video? Yeah. That's nice. That's a nice Bentley. It's a green car. Good on fuel economy, right? Environmentally friendly. And now time for a public service announcement. Well, the car looks sweet. That's not really legal. No part of the car is supposed to be lower than the lowest part of the rim. But it looks awesome. Okay, this is one of the coolest body wraps I've ever seen. It's a rainbow from the sunlight, but you still see the paint underneath. That's an awesome car too. Little MR2. And with that, I'm done. Show's over. I'm going home. Nothing else to see.